Hey everyone, welcome back to new content of Save Roses. In today's video, we will be discussing about lead in Odoo 18. In Odoo CRM, a lead represents a potential customers who has shown some level of interest in your company's product or services, which means a lead is typically is very first step in the sales process, and that signifies that someone has expressed a potential interest. And this would allow to nurture these leads and convert them into a paying customer. So let's see how can we manage a lead in Odoo 18. To activate the lead, let's move on to the CRM module. From the configuration settings, we have to enable the lead. So once you enable the lead, you can find the lead under the menu. So this add a qualification step before the creation of an opportunity. So once that's done, you can simply move on to the leads and you can find all the leads that are the potential customers. And if you want to create a new lead, you can simply click on the new button. This would pop up a window where you can set the heading of the lead. So in this case, we are just going to give the information like 5 square table. Once the name is given, here you can find the other field called probability. So the probability shows that whether this is a potential lead or not, which means how much interest is the customer providing for the product or services into a company. And here you can see that we can provide the name of the customer. So let me provide the name of the customer over here. You can also set the title, and we can also provide all other details such as email and all. Now you can see that currently we have given only a few details in the lead, and you can find the probability as 7.92. And when I just save this, here you can see that the probability is just turned into 33.14. This means that whenever we just provide more information into a company, there is more chances of converting that lead into an opportunity. So in this case, currently we haven't given certain fields such as the company, address and all. These are not mandatory fields. But when you provide more information, we can confirm, or we'll be getting a trace from that. There is a chance to convert this lead into an opportunity. So for the time being, I would like to give the company name over here as Cybroses. And let's provide the address. Here we can provide the country and provide the state. Now afterwards provide the city, and afterwards we can see we have the salesperson. So this is just assigned to the salesperson, Michelle admin, and the sales team will be sales over here. And here in this case, if you want to just give the all other details such as job position, phone number and all, we can provide that. I would like to give the phone number over here. And afterwards, if we want to provide the mobile number, we can also just give that. Okay, and I'm going to set the priority over here. So I'm going to set the priority as very high so that we can analyze that this is a potential customer and we can easily nurture this into a opportunity. And here you can find the product, the tags over here. So I'm going to set it as product and furniture over here. So let's search for the tag furniture. So if you don't have the required tag, you can just create. So these tags are used for filtration purposes and easy identification. Now let me give the details over here, and you can see that currently the percentage is again changed and the probability is just raised. Now if you want to manually change the probability, and if you want to set it as 95 or 98, you can just give that. And Odoo will also show the probability that is suggested by the Odoo database. And if you want to just convert that into the previous one, you can simply click on the gear icon. And that would like you to change it into the previous probability. So if you're just going to choose a customer that is who is already existed over here, and when you just save this, you can see you will be getting a smart button called actually similar with leads. So before converting that into an opportunity, you can just cross check whether we have already received an interest from the same customer for the same item and all. So in this case, we are just getting a fresh lead, or someone who is new to a company is showing interest for the products or services. So currently we have provided every detail. So once the lead is generated, we can find the lead over here in the list view. So we can find all the details over here. Now, if you want to get the leads which have higher priority, you can also just get that. So when you just move on to the custom filter here, you can find that we can simply search for priority. So let me change it into priority, and you can say priority is equal to high or very high. So let's click add this rule, and you can see that only there exists one lead which is having higher priority. So which means that this is a potential customer and we can easily convert this into an opportunity. So by clicking on convert to opportunity here, you can see that we can just take an action to convert this into an opportunity. So currently we are simply converting this into a fresh opportunity. If we have a similar lead like this, we can just merge with the existing opportunity. And here in this case, we are just going to create a new customer and let's convert that into an opportunity. And you can see it's been qualified and moved. I mean, it's been set as a opportunity. Now, as you've just moved to the sales under my pipeline, you can see that it's converted into into an opportunity, and the opportunity can be viewed from the first stage. So this is how we make use of leads in Odoo 18 CRM. So I hope this video clarifies how to manage a lead in Odoo 18 CRM. So if you want Odoo customizations or Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybroses. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.